how to use SwiftUI List View. Now I am going to create a project. Name it as a demo list view and make the interface as SwiftUI. First I am going to create a model. With the two property, fruit ID and name. Now I am going to create the array. Now we have to use this array into the list. Here in the list we have to give the ID parameter so that it will differentiate the item, and inside that we have to give the text. Now in the preview we can see items are added in the list. Now this is the one way of adding items into the list. We can add items into the list in another way. The model which you are passing into the list must be confirm the identifier protocol. So I have given the identifier protocol here. In this case we don't need to pass the ID. This is the another method. Now I am going to show you how to add the items into the list dynamically. Now I am going to add a button. when we are changing the data, it should reflect in the view. So we have to add property wrapper. Now we have a list in the top and add button at the bottom. We have 3 items. Now I am going to click the add button. Now new items is added at the bottom. Now I am going to show how to use section in the list view. Inside the list we have to add the section. Inside the section we have to add for each. And we have to add header. For header, I have set foreground style to blue and font weight to semi-bold. I am going to copy paste the section part. And I am going to change the header. Now you can see the list has 2 sections with the header. Thanks for watching the video.